Hi there, I'm Katy for RustiKate, and this is DJ, my golden doodle. And she's a real cutie. She likes to help me with projects, so you'll probably see her in and out. At least she thinks she helps me with projects. But I just wanted to give everybody an update and let you know, like, I've been very sporadic in my video uploading, which means I pretty much haven't uploaded anything in probably a year. But the reason for that is that I'm in the process of going back to school. And I was hoping I'd be able to keep up the videos better, but the school really has been kind of all-encompassing. So that's what I've been up to. But I'm hoping that I'll be able to do some videos from time to time. If you notice, this background is completely different than it has been before. So I've moved recently, and hopefully that'll make things a little easier. I live a lot closer to school now, and so not as much commute, which will be really helpful. So hopefully I'll have more time and I can actually do some videos again, because I will love that. I've really been missing doing tatting and missing the interactions with all of you guys. So yeah, I'm really hoping that tatting videos will be happening again.